What's up guys, to my YouTube channel and bell icon. Today I will telling about the Australian penny belongs to the PRE decimal currency system, pound, shilling, penny, used until 1966. These coins were eventually converted to zero. 8333 Australian cents after decimalisation. De phrase, Dei Gratia Regina, by the grace of God, Queen, featured on the obverse was customary on Commonwealth coinage, used until the end of PRE decimal issue in 1964. Design et inscription obverse front features the young, laureate bust of Queen Elizabeth II, facing right, known as her first portrait, designed by Mary Gillick. Around it, plus Elizabeth II Dei Gratia Regina F. D. Latin for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. Rover's back show a kangaroo leaping left across the surface, with the date 1958 under its tail, and the Federation star at left. Designed by George Kruger Gray, his initials, KG, upper subtil above the tail. Spécification. Composition. Bronze CU 97 à 97,5%. ZN2 à 2,5%. SN 0,5% weight. Tilde 9.45. Diameter. Tilde 30.8. mm. Edge. Plain minting et production details mintage in 1958. Around 24.44 millions pennies bearing Elizabeth E. Bust were produced across Australia. Mint variation. Perth mint. Coin bearer a dot mint mark often after. Penny. Or near the kangaroo's tail and sa mintage of about 14.43 millions. Melbourne mint. No mint mark. Approximately 10.01 million minted. Proof strikes et collectibility special proof version were also struck, crafted for collectors rather than circulation. Known for their clean surface and higher quality. One such piece is preserved in museum's Victoria's collection, featuring the same design with engraved artist initials and proof quality details. These proof coins, often graded and certified EG, NGCPF 64BN, fetch higher values due to limited mintage and superior finish. Script et Latin phrase explain the Dei Gratia Regina inscription mirrors the tradition of sovereign coinage, emphasizing the divine right and role of the monarch. Was prevalent in Australian coin bearing the effigy of Elizabeth II until decimal coinage began in 1966, after which the inscription was removed or abbreviated. How to use as a YouTube straight visual tip. The image provided above is clear, high contrast, and centrally focused, ideal for overlay, intro, or explaining. Around the coin to eliminate background clutter from the original museum photo. Apply a subtle drop shadow or glow to make the coin pop against both light and dark video backgrounds. Final animation, slow spin, to add a dynamic visual element, drawing in viewer attention.
Common circulated coin circulated examples average were very good, VG approximately AUD 0$ et 45 cents USD tilde $0. 3. Fin F tilde AU tilde AUD 0$ et 55 cents, very fin VF tilde AUD 1$ et 15 cents, extremely fin EF tilde AUD 3$. Expert appraisé note. Typically fetch around AUD 1$ et 25 cents to $2 in average grade. Mint state uncirculated, brilliant uncirculated coin in higher condition can go for. MS60. Tilde AUD 11$ et 50 cents MS63. Tilde AUD 58$ et 30 cents MS65. Tilde AUD 178$. Proof coin Melbourne Mint Proof 1958. No mint mark, very rare with mintage just 1,506 pieces. Collectors. Market value. Standalone proof coin often priced around AUD 3,500$ each. A trio including 1957 à 1959 proof might be offered at AUD 9,500$ summary table coin type et conditions approx. AUD circulated VG2EF 0$ et 45 cents $3 average grade circulated tilde $1.252$ mint state MS-60 to MS65 $11 $178 higher grading significantly more proof Melbourne mint rare up to $3,500 or more suggestion for using this content on YouTube if you're planning a clean 1500 word sprite script for your YouTube channel. Structure it clearly. Introduce the coin's history and design. Mention de latin legend and kangaroo motif walkthrough condition-based valuation category. Highlight the rarity and premium value of proof examples. Visual ideas. Use the clean coin image provided above. Display comparison shots of condition grade if available and maybe a visual scale of value. Features the young laureate bust of Queen Elizabeth II facing right, designed by Mary Gillick, with her initials MG inclus on the bust truncation above the G in Gracia. The legend surrounding the bust READS, plus Elizabeth II Dei Gratia Regina F. D. Which translate to Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. Reverse back depict the iconic kangaroo leaping left, designed by George Kruger Gray initials KG visible near kangaroo's tail type inscription READS. Australia Penny 1958 with the Federation Star to the left of the kangaroo. Spécification et minting details composition. Bronze 97,5% Cu, 2% Zn, 0,5% Sn, weight, tilde 9.45 G, diamètre, tilde 30.8 mm, edge, plain mintage 1958 Perth Minty, mint mark tilde 14.43 millions. Melbourne Mint no mint mark tilde 10.01 millions. Proof coin. Special collector issue, often with sharp detail and sold separately, these add lower mintage and are highly collectible. This coin belongs to the first portrait series of Queen Elizabeth II, featuring her laureate bust and the Latin legends, Dei Gratia Regina, and Fidei Defensor. The phrase, Dei Gratia Regina, by the grace of God, Queen, was used on Australian coin until the end of the PR decimal era in 1964. Feature description obverse design laureate bust of Elizabeth II by Mary Gillick legend plus Elizabeth II Dei Gratia Regina F. Reverse design kangaroo left with Austral penny date et Federation Star composition bronze, 30,8 mm diamètre, 9,45 g, plain edge mintage tilde 24.4 millions total per tilde 14.4 m. Melbourne tilde 10 m, proof variant special collector issue with lower mintage. Displays Queen Elizabeth II with the inscription Elizabeth II Dei Gratia Regina F. Designed by Mary Gillick. Reverse. Features abounding kangaroo and the word, penny, created by George Kruger Gray. Abou 24.4 millions pennies were minted in 1958. Composition. Bronze 97-97,5% copper, plus incantin minting note. Dei Gratia Regina, de latin phrase, Dei Gratia Regina, by the grace of God, Queen, was a traditional inscription Australian coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II. It continued on all pennies through the end of their production in 1964, before being dropped with the adoption of decimal coinage in 1966. Coins sometimes display mint-made errors, such as die cracks, lamination flaws, filled dies, grease strikes, clashed dies, or coups. These are typically caused by minting defect or contamination during streaking. According to collectors on Coin Forum, if a 1958 penny show any of these, plus grand que, it look more like the lamination. Et dang to it, a neat find, look like a lamination error. Very small die crack, cool find be not worth much more than, average. These errors can enhance interest, but typically don't add significant monetary value unless they're particularly dramatic or rare. The 1958 Australian penny is a well-known and commonly collected PR decimal coin. It bears the standard inscription, Elizabeth II Dei Gratia Regina F.